Today, the Shelby County Health Department reports the 7-day rolling average is at 248 new cases per day. Now, that's the highest number we've seen in about 3 months. But what may be more concerning is the number of people who are now in the hospital due to COVID. WRAG's Shay Arthur joins us live with that. Hi, Shay.
Hey, hi, Alex. And as you talk about those new numbers there, a doctor we talked to with Methodist says, unfortunately, they are seeing hospitalizations increase. But she says this does come as we're seeing a new wave of a variant.
So we are seeing that number slowly start to creep up.
Here's a look. Today there are 35 COVID positive patients in the Methodist Le Bonheur healthcare system, 6 admitted in the past 24 hours. That's compared to 33 yesterday, 30 on Monday, and 13 this past Friday. Dr. Shirin Mazumdar says 3 are in the intensive care unit.
It's definitely concerning, and I think the reason why we're seeing this is because that we have a new dominant strain that's circulating, and that is the BA2 subvariant. And we know that that is more infectious, more contagious than the previous variant, which was BA2.
Dr. Mazumdar says, as we've seen throughout this pandemic, whenever there is a new variant surging, we tend to see cases go up.
What should people be doing to protect themselves?
Well, I think that there's a number of things that people can do to protect themselves. Number one, if you're not feeling well, stay home and get tested. And to take an additional layer of precaution, for instance, wearing a mask if you're in a crowded indoor setting that's not ventilated well.
And while we're just getting into this new surge.
But the good thing, what we've seen with these variants that are taking off more recently is that they're more transmissible, but they don't necessarily cause more severe disease, which I think is a really good sign. But of course, we'll need to wait and see how this plays out.
And Alex, April, Dr. Mazumdar says another way people can protect themselves is staying up to date on their vaccinations. For Live Downtown tonight, Shay Arthur, WREG News Channel 3.